All right, let's learn how to put the instrument together. First thing I do, I grab the bell in my left hand and I hold it like this. That's how I like to hold it. Okay? The next thing I do is I grab the slide. And I grab the slide like this. Okay? So that tall part is right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to connect that tall part to the other part of the trombone. And I like to do it so it's in a straight line like this. Okay? And then what I do is I will then push it together a little bit, gently. I don't want to bend it, so that we have it together like this, and it makes a V. You can see kind of like a V right here where my hands are touching it. If you turn it upside down, it would make an A, right? And you'll notice that I pushed it together a little bit with a tiny bit of force, not a lot, so that the slide doesn't move. If you just set it in there and barely twist it, your slide's gonna move a lot. And that's hard when you're playing if your instrument's moving all over the place. So I just do a little bit of pressure, not a ton. You don't need to force it. That way it kind of sticks together. And then this right here screws on to keep it so they won't fall apart. So you just screw that on. You don't need to wrench it shut. You just twist it on, give it a little, make it snug, and then your instrument is together. Right? And then the last thing you got to do is put the mouthpiece on. And the way you put the mouthpiece on is you just put it in there, give it a little tiny twist. Don't hit it like this. It kind of makes a fun sound, but that's not the greatest thing for your instrument, because if you hit it too much or too hard, it'll get stuck. Your mouthpiece will get stuck, and then you can't get it out. So just a tiny twist, and that way you're going to be able to take it apart really easily. Okay? And now your trombone's together. Notice I've got that V right here. When I put it up to play, it's right there. If it was straight like this, I'd put it up and it wouldn't look right. Right? You gotta have, I think, V for victorious. You want to be a winner on trombone. So get that V right there. All right? Cool. That's how you put your instrument together.